How to create a new project in VN. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see the main dashboard with all your previous projects and a new project button. Tap on the new project button to start creating a brand new video. You will be asked to choose either video based or music based. Choose according to your preference. Here I will go with video based and hit save. Next, the app will prompt you to select the videos or photos you want to include in your project. Browse through your gallery and choose the media files you want to edit. After selecting them, tap on the next button to import them into your project timeline. After your media is imported, you can explore the project workspace. Beyond's interface is user-friendly, allowing you to trim clips, add transitions, insert text, and apply effects easily. Take a moment to get familiar with the tools available at the bottom and sides of the screen. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, frame rate, and background music for your project from the settings panel to make your video more professional. Experiment with different tools to find the editing style that fits your content. Once you are satisfied with your media and initial setup, your new project is ready for detailed editing. Now you know how to create a new project in VN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.